Hi, I'm Diana and you're watching It's About Time Now. In this video, we're headed for another adventure. We're going to take you kayaking on the SANIBEL Causeway. All right, get ready for a feast to your eyes. This way is the Gulf of Mexico.
The Sanibel Causeway is comprised of two man-made islands. These link 3 bridges to get you from the mainland to Sanibel Island. The islands have been made into county parks. They're free to park, but there is a $6 toll to get out here to them. The parks have restrooms, picnic tables, trash cans, and plenty of shade trees. It's a very popular place for locals to spend the day fishing, playing in the water, and enjoying water sports. These are, however, day-use parks only, and no camping is allowed.
There's a little tree and everything.
Oh, shell I just found. He's green. So good to be out here. I'll let you see what I see. He's right there. Wow, Brad's really close to the dolphin. It's amazing. He's out here playing. There he is. It is so fun to come out here. We are always seeing things like manta rays or dolphin. Oh yeah, that chippin looks like us when we bring Gumby. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed our adventure. Let us know down in the comments what you liked most. And remember, it's about time now because tomorrow is not guaranteed. It feels so much better.